some more.
The Panasonic 5-blade shavers LV series. 5 blades for maximum shaving comfort. Gliding smoothly over the skin for an even gentler shave. The new Multiflex 3D head hugs your face, staying in close contact with your skin. The 30-degree acute angle inner blades cut even the thickest hairs at the root. The shaving sensor and the direct linear motor drive deliver a shave that's amazingly clean, yet gentle on your skin. Experience a new way to shave. The premium Panasonic 5-blade shaver LV series.
The Braun Series 7, designed with responsive intelligence. The smart shaver intelligently responds to the unique features of your face, with its 5 personalization modes powering 4 synchronized shaving elements to tackle the trickiest of areas with pinpoint precision. Whilst 10,000 vibrations create a cushion for your Series 7 to gently glide across your skin. And for total control, the built-in precision trimmer takes care of the finishing touches. So whether you shave dry, with gel, or foam, the Series 7 will deliver a close and gentle shave. And when you're done, you can clean your Braun shaver under running water or with the Clean&Charge station. Series 7. The smart shaver reads and adapts to your beard. Braun, designed for what matters.
It's Remington's closest one-pass shave ever. The Remington Smart Edge offers the latest in foil shaving technology. Active hybrid cutters pre-trim longer hairs, and a Lift Logic inner foil lifts and cuts even the shortest stubble. Beneath the inner foil are the AccuCut blades. The open arch design helps reduce noise and vibration for a pleasant shaving experience. Take comfort to another level with the Wet Tech technology. It lets you shave with gel or even in the shower. Plus, the rechargeable lithium battery provides 60 minutes of runtime after just 90 minutes of charging. And the digital display accurately shows how much runtime remains. Don't forget about the pop-up trimmer on the back of the shaver. It's great for detailing facial hair and sideburns. The Remington Smart Edge, the latest technology for the ultimate shave.
Why do we evolve? Is it because we believe we'll see something we never seen before? Or is it because we have a vision of what we want to create? We believe in craft. We believe in doing what's never been done. We believe in exceeding all expectation. We believe in shaping a new legacy. We believe in changing things that's never been changed.
Benz, I want Audis. Smoking on booth and it's my weed.